Hi guys, this is Rahul here and I'm here to welcome you all to my course Building Full Stack App using .NET Core, Angular and ChatGPT. And I'm very thrilled to have you here as we embark on a transformative journey that promises to redefine the way you approach building full stack applications. In this immersive, 25 plus hour journey, we will harness the synergy of .NET Core's robust backend capabilities and Angular's dynamic, front-end framework and the groundbreaking AI assistance of ChatGPT. So as you navigate through this meticulously designed course, the ChatGPT will stand as your digital mentor, reshaping the way you interact with code, debug, and deploy strategies. So this course is your gateway to pioneering full stack applications that are smart and efficient as they are scalable. So whether you are a budding developer or a seasoned programmer, join us on this exciting journey, which is full of adventure of ChatGPT. And let's get started. With that feeling like you are going to learn something new, and something new is that the X factor, which is the ChatGPT thing, which is going to happen. And when I say which is going to happen, because after this particular course you will become 10x version of yourself as a developer, not only as a developer but in any field whatever you are doing. So because ChatGPT is something which is going to help you in each and every field, be it anything. So having said that, now let's get started with this particular journey. So as you can see here, right, so this is just the landing page which is also designed using this Angular 16 itself. And once this is getting migrated to Angular 17, so you will get the flavor of 17 features as well. And the reason why I have not migrated still, because at the time of recording, even as on today, that all the components of Bootstrap is not migrated to Angular 17, and that eventually broke when I tried to migrating that one, right? So but that is not the problem. Ultimately this is going to be upgraded every year with the latest framework of Angular and the .NET framework. So that being said, now let's get started with this store capabilities. And as you see here, like, so this is the simple store, which is the e-commerce store, which is having any basic features like any e-commerce store. As you can see, like on the left hand side we have that sorting functionalities, which is by name, you can sort, or by price. You have this filtering by brands and the types, which you can eventually see here, right? So whatsoever you are selecting, this is going to filter you out based on that particular product itself, which you can see me doing. And eventually we have this paginate through to the different products and the search capabilities as well. So this entire thing you will be making with me live from scratch using .NET Core and Angular with the assistance of ChatGPT itself. Just to give you a flavor of this, like how this entire journey is going to look like. So I'm just trying to complete some of that components, some of the items to cart, and we'll see this journey itself. So let's add this particular to that cart, and let's go to this store. And you can definitely add from here as well, and which is, you can see on top of cart, this item number is getting changed. And let's say you like to add certain rackets here, so you can simply come here, you can add this one, let's say, and you'll like to check out that, which for that you will come to the cart page, and this is the one. You can increment decrement quantity from here as well, which you like to do here in case, right? So this is what I'm just showing you. And once you click on checkout, so you'll be prompted for login, and this login is going to be pretty baked in with the chart icon itself, which is with ASP.NET Core identity, which we'll be using here, right? And of course for that I need this username and password, and for that I'll just grab it from here. This is the postman thing, which you will be seeing me doing that while building this particular app itself. And let me just grab this password as well, and just for the avoid this typo. And once you log in here, you will be landed on this particular checkout page with this address bar in here, and I'll just fill this in likewise, and I'll go next. And then this is the shipment page, which you can see here, fast delivery with FedEx is already selected, and I'm fine with that. So I'll eventually move to the next tab, which is this review page, and this is giving me all the things nicely, right? So this looks fine to me. In which case, like you can see, like shipment delivery of 300 rupees is also added. Once you say thank you, so your order is complete and your cart will be vanished, because this is done. So this is that journey which you will be building with me, and with the assistance of ChatGPT itself. When I talk about ChatGPT, so I'll come to that part, like how does it look like. So if you see here, right, so this is sometimes this takes to get, come here, right. So once you refresh, so this will come. So what happens, like when chat becomes heavy, like when I say heavy means like you cannot build entire application with one prompt or one chat itself. So what happens, like you see here, like the number of prompts which I tried while building this app, right. So this is just for the Angular perspective, and that you can see here, like some this is what this review component is going to look like. And what I'm asking here is like these are my prompts which you can see, like this one. And what I am saying, like now we need to design the review tab, wherein I would like to have similar experience what we have in basket, like shown below. And then I'm posting the code as well. And this is what, so that it can continue understanding, like what is that chat which we were talking about, and what is the context. So we should not be losing the context here. So these all things you will be seeing me doing live. And like how to get started, how to sign up here, right. So sign up is pretty handy. Like you just need to come here, chat.openai.com, and in case if you have not signed up before, so just create one account, and we are going to use this freemium version. When I say freemium version, so 99% of time we will be using this 3.5 chat, which is going to be the free version, and 1% we are going to use the fourth version, which is going to, let's say, in eventually we would like to create the site layout. So I will be just pasting some of that images here, because with that fourth version what we can do is, as you see in this particular tab, ChatGPT 4, we can upload files as well. So I can simply upload that any of that, let's say, UI which I like to fix here, and the screenshot of that. And let's say if I like to create a look-alike UI, so that also I can create with that. And just I need to say that these are the images, and this is the component I look like want, and with this Angular baked in. And I also like to have some kind of flexibility using SAS and whatsoever. So whatever technology you are using, you just need to tell that one, right. And this is going to create for that. So these are the things like which you can see me. I have used multiple chats to build this application, just to avoid the latency factor while building the app, because eventually number of prompts increases into the same chat in ChatGPT, that is going to tend to a bit slow in response. So that is what I was trying to avoid in this entire journey. So this is from the ChatGPT perspective, and this is your Swagger. This is what your .NET Core Angular is going to, you will be building right with me, like account controller, basket, and the products perspective. And then this is the GitHub page for this one, and you simply need to come here, right, github.com/rahulsai19 .NET Angular ChatGPT, and you will find this readme page, which is complete description is in there, like how to get started. And eventually if you are seeing for the first time, so this page is obviously going to be updated with all the coupons here, and these are the coupons which is there, right. So these are the coupons for my other courses, and this is the coupon for this particular course itself. And this is the stats, like what you are going to get, like 19 engaging sections, 255 plus videos, 25 plus hours of content, multiple choice questions for you to practice just after every module which you are finishing. And yearly update is going to be, of course, whenever this upgrade is happening for any of this Angular or .NET upgrade. So also I like to talk about the GitHub strategies, like all modules has got its own dedicated branch, so that you can toggle between these modules and understand if there is any error which you have faced. So you can simply look at my branch and try to compare yours one, right. So that will be fast to fix your problem. And this is the course, of course, which you can see here, which is already hosted here, right. And that is significantly going to help you with that, and that is the coupon best price is applied. So let me know how do you feel about that, and what's your view on that. And just on the other side, of course, while building with me. Thanks for joining me.